Bali tropical trekking, hiking in the highlands of Bali. Discover and explore the natural wonders of Bali from the ancient Hindu village of Taro, Ubud, Bali, and its surrounding area on a scenic trek through the hinterlands. Expert guides explain the culture, customs and traditions of Balinese daily life and take you along hidden paths through the jungle where you will encounter temples, springs and other natural treasures. Explore picturesque rice fields and small villages along the route of vegetables, spices, coffee and cocoa palms until ending up at the exotic Koko Bambu restaurant and Mason Gourmet factory. Let's book tropical trekking in Bali with Mason Adventures on WhatsApp +628214412137. Contact us now, or visit our website balibathingelephant.com. We hope information on this video about Bali tropical trekking is useful to you. Please let us know if you have any question about Bali adventure and activities.